This is what we are making today. Who doesn't like chapati? To all those fasting, this is one of the bread. And it's gone. Put it on fire and I'll go make some more. I put some flour. There we go. And when I put them in here, I just turn them around so that they stay fresh and not soaked. Chapatiz, anybody? Okay, looks like it's enough size. We leave it on and we make another one just in time for the next one. I had already made a few, but I thought I should share this last part. Yep, I cook all the time. Okay. Wee. Okay. It's hard, you can tell. It's hot like fire. Hot like fire. Now these are ready. Oh, that's ready, huh? Yeah, I was craving this guess what? I know how to make these, so just go and make some. Look at that. Ooh, texture. Mmm, mmm, mmm. That was fired up, absolutely crazy. But hey, chapati is gonna do what they gotta do. That's what's up. Just click on the like button, like, subscribe, comment, share. Enjoy the chapatis, especially.